Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix this app preventing shutdown error message Windows 7, 8, and 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand control panel. Click and expand desktop. Right-click New D-Word 32-bit value. Type Auto End Tasks, A, E and T are capital letters. Open Auto End Tasks. Change value data to 1. Close and exit registry editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.